blacks out?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine does that too.
This is the update of for Highway 401. Today is December 26, Boxing Day. Oh, there you go.
2025.
2025, yeah. Hold up at the snowing. Ooh.
Because 50 years from now, somebody's going to watch that video and they're going to go, what?
It's
Snowing?
almost the same. Yeah, this is 2025, December 26. Yeah. What time now, Doug?
It's like 10 o'clock in the morning?
10 o'clock in the morning.
Something like that,
look
eh?
at that. Why there is no snowplow truck?
Well,
Oh, because it's holiday.
well, no, but they have to come out anyways, but they're probably waiting.